Hi, everyone. So today we are going to be going over ctcLink and how to search for your classes and enroll. So the first thing to do is to go to the Yakima Valley College website homepage. And at the top, you can see your Canvas, ctcLink, student portal links to it. So the first thing that you should click to is the student portal. Here, you'll be able to access some super important links. You'll be able to see upcoming events, some of the news that's happening at Yakima Valley College. You can access the bookstore, computer labs, the Granby campus, athletics, anything that you need to learn more about or find information on should be here at the student portal. And you can also find your Microsoft accounts, which are accessible at the top left corner. So the way you get into ctcLink after logging into the student portal is clicking this box that says ctcLink login. And currently I'm using the mobile form of ctcLink. There are two different ways you can get into ctcLink, which is this mobile version, and then there is a desktop version. So I'm going to log into the mobile version quickly. And so here it looks really nice. It's red, matches the Yakima Valley College colors. And then I'm also going to access the other desktop version of ctcLink. So I should be able to go back, and you can also access ctcLink through this other top banner. And here, obviously, it takes me to the same page. But if you want to switch between dashboards, you can go to the bottom and click full site, and you should be able to see this. So now we're going to start going through with the blue version of ctcLink, which is the desktop version and can be accessed through your computer. So the first way you're going to actually search your classes, it goes to the Manage Classes tile, which look like a calendar and a graduation cap. Then on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see a couple different tabs. My exam schedule, enrollment dates, class search and enroll, shopping cart, drop classes. So the first thing we want to do when you get here is to go to class search and enroll. And so where it's going to take you, it's going to take you to two tabs that say terms prior to spring 2022 and terms on or after spring 2022. And you can see that there are a number of community colleges and technical colleges available on this list. That is because ctcLink actually connects all of the community colleges and technical colleges in Washington State. So no need to click on the other ones. We want to kind of focus on Yakima Valley College. But the ctcLink system does help you if you need to transfer, take classes at other colleges. So we're going to look and go down to fall 2022 for Yakima Valley College. So it takes a while to scroll down, but once you get there, it's pretty easy. So here's fall 2022 Yakima Valley College. And so we're going to click, and up here at the top, you can type in a keyword, and I'm going to put art. Maybe that's a class that I want to take. And so here it shows you a multitude of different art classes that are available. So the one I'm familiar with is Art 104, which is Drawing 1. So I'm going to click that. And as you can see, it shows you different teachers and even time schedules for that class. And I'm just going to click the Christopher Owens class. He's the pick of the day. So I'm going to click on that class, and then here it'll show you the dates, times, meeting dates, the session. And as I'm going through this, I'm going to click next because that is a class I would like to take. Here is just some more information. There's a lab and a lecture available, and they are combined. Add to waitlist if the class is full is an option you can use if the class is full, not open anymore, and you still want to hopefully have an opportunity to get in that class. So you would click the yes button, but just because it's not ready yet, we're going to click no. Permission number is only if you haven't filled a prerequisite and you need an instructional person's code to get in. And since we don't need that, we're just going to click accept. Then we're going to go down, we're going to review it, see if this matches up with our availability, and then we're going to click submit. So now that it's submitted, it says that classes have been added to your shopping cart. So the shopping cart is where you're really going to check through your classes to make sure that you can enroll. So it has two different ones, but because we looked at the fall 2022 undergraduate quarter for Yakima Valley College, we're going to see. So these are ones that I've already picked, but we're just going to click one. And then when you're ready, you should see an enroll button here at the top when enrollment is available. Right now, you can only enroll for the fall 2022 quarter around June. And then for the summer quarter, the enrollment date is May 31st. And so since this dashboard also translates to this beautiful one, I'm going to show you how to do it on this one as well. So to make it quick, you're going to go to class information and go to browse classes. And here, all you need to do is put in the term. So we're going to go fall 2022 again, undergraduate, and you can even make it more specific by putting the subject. So I can put drawing or I can put art, and you can see multitude available. And then I can click search and there should be an availability for drawing one. So then I'm able to view the sections of it. And these are the amount of classes that are actually offered for that specific course. As you can see, some of them are already put into my shopping cart, but we're going to try and do another one. So here is one that it says the room, the end time, the start time, the days of the week that you're meeting. And you're just going to go to the three dots on the right-hand side of the page and click add to cart. And so here you can just review that all again and then click continue. It also gives you the same options that the other dashboard, which is blue, gives you, such as the wait list and the permission number. So you're going to click save and it says class is added to the cart. And if I want to check that out and just to make sure, I can go to the left-hand side, click on enrollment, and you should see shopping cart available. So if I go to the shopping cart, I can see all the classes that I thought about taking or want to take. And as you can see, there's the one that we picked. And all I'm going to do is click this. And then when I'm ready, click enroll. And then because enrollment isn't open yet, that isn't super an option, but you can click enroll. And when that time comes, you're ready to enroll in the classes that you want. There's also another option available for this specific dashboard, the red one, which is the mobile version. You should be able to go to planner. And here you'll also find some of the classes that you selected. And the way you can, kind of plan what classes you want to take for the quarter is going back to class information and clicking class search. And so we're going to say I want to take art again. So then I'm going to click search, and that's where it's also going to tell me where all the availabilities for this class are. And over here, I can go to additional actions, and here it will say edit because of course it was put into my shopping cart. And so we can go to the next one, additional actions, and it should say add to cart, also goes to your shopping cart. And so these are all the available things that you can do on either dashboard. It's okay to use either one. They both translate to each other either way. So on the old one, whatever permissions or whatever actions that you do on this one will also translate to this one. And you can also get the ctcLink mobile app on the App Store or Google Play, so you can have it anywhere you go. Thank you.